भीमातीरनिवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंगप्रकाशाय विठ्ठलाय नमो नमः. मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः. Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. The topic for today's message is Saints and Stars. The world of the film stars is a dazzling world. The stars are the most popular figures in society, with a large fan world around them. Their appearance on the balcony is awaited by a crowd of admirers outside their gates. Their movements are being watched as they arrive at gala functions. The events in their family are noted by the public with avid interest. The public knows about them from the publicity media and discuss each detail with enthusiasm. Each movie of the favorite film star is awaited, and the new release is the talk of the town. A thorough research is made about the themes of the hero or the heroine's role in the movies of the past and the present. People spend so much time doting on the cinema idol. They have several pictures of heroes and heroines in their homes, their purses, their office table, everywhere. The world of movies is a world wherein the common man forgets his own woes. I had a maid who would tell me, Didi, I forget my sorrow when I watch a movie. I felt sad and happy at once for her. Happy that it was a harmless inebriation. Sad that she would be knocked back to reality after a while. The idealistic role played by one's favorite hero carries us to euphoric heights. We have identified ourselves with 2.5-hour traffic on the silver screen. We must thank the stars for this relief they give our poor folks. What the real life of the star is, nobody knows. But it's the public face which is attractive, fascinating. Why, it's amazing at times. Their smart outfits, their dazzling jewelry, their spacious villas, their large cars and private aircrafts, their fabulous income, all make them fairy tale characters for the commoner who is proud to be their fan. Now let us look at the saints. The stars entertain. The saints enlighten. They are the Lord's representatives. They are simple and pure. They come to take us close to God. They enlighten us in life with the protective hand of a father and the loving care of a mother. They understand our problems before we can tell them. Their eyes see beyond us. They look within us. They are with us day and night if we acknowledge them as our gurus. Their role is more effective than the role of our own parents. They console us in grief and encourage us in our sincere efforts. They are the causes for our joys because their generous blessings take us from success to success. They would rather give than take. God has given them strange powers and they make us deal with reality in a bold way. Stars make us forget reality. Saints make us face reality. The joy of the movies is a short-lived one. The advice of the saints is an eternal delight. The stars arouse at times jealousy in us. The saints make us come closer to God and godliness. At times after seeing a star, we spend a sleepless night lost in the world of make-believe. At times after meeting a saint, we also spend a sleepless night but in a state of bliss. Saints are God's men in our simple lives. They are the stimulus, they are the boatmen, they are the anchor, they are the foundation. If our life is growing into an incredible edifice, it is because they are the base on which we stand. Saints are beautiful in their own way, natural way. We cannot imagine stars without makeup. We cannot imagine saints with makeup. Their smiles are encouragement. Their looks speak forgiveness. Their words pour out nectar. Their hands bless our heads with generous blessings. God's veritable presence is felt in the presence of the saints. Life without saints is a firmament without stars. संतों ने जैसे देखा हम उसी तरह देखें, जिधर भी नजर पड़े वहाँ राम कृष्ण देखें. संतों ने जैसे देखा हम उसी तरह देखें, जिधर भी नजर पड़े वहाँ राम कृष्ण देखें, वहाँ राम कृष्ण देखें, वहाँ राम कृष्ण देखें. Thank you.